Will Florida home prices drop drastically in the next few years? What about interest rates? These are questions I get on a daily basis. And in this video, I'll tell you about the latest market trends we're seeing here in Northeast Florida and what it means for you. Stay tuned. The entire country has seen some major corrections in the real estate market over the last 2 years, going from one of the hottest and most competitive markets in history to a much needed cooling off period. The rise in interest rates has slowed down the demand for housing, allowing for the inventory to get back to more normal levels. We've also seen prices come down slightly and more opportunities to negotiate on pricing and terms. In most cases, it's evening the playing field between buyers and sellers. One of the questions I get often is, are home prices expected to go down? Should you wait for prices and rates to drop before you buy? The truth is, it's impossible to say for sure. No one has a crystal ball. And whether or not it's a good time to buy greatly depends on your specific situation. However, there are several factors that could influence the market. Let's take a look at the latest housing market trends in Northeast Florida. I'll tell you what I'm personally seeing in my business, give you my professional opinion, and you can decide for yourself if it's a good time for you to make a move. Stick around for some eye-opening statistics. First, it's important to note that the Florida housing market is not one entity. There are many different submarkets, each with its own unique dynamics. For example, the Miami market is very different from the Ocala market. And even here within the Northeast Florida area, there can be major differences from zip code to zip code. However, there are some general trends that are affecting the entire state. For example, Florida's population is growing rapidly, with an average of 1,000 people per day moving to the state. In Northeast Florida, our population increases an average of 1% annually. Jacksonville is considered one of the fastest growing cities in Florida, and it continues to be a magnet for individuals relocating from other states for a variety of reasons. The state also consistently maintained one of the highest rates of job growth in the U.S., making it an appealing destination for those seeking employment opportunities and a vibrant lifestyle. Jacksonville was recently ranked the second hottest job market in the U.S. and the top market in Florida, according to the Wall Street Journal in April of 2024. I share this because even though we've seen overall sales slow down and prices cool off, this influx of new residents contributes to the steady demand for housing in our area, along with the strong military presence. All of this helps stimulate the real estate market, making it more unlikely that we'll see any drastic drops in prices anytime soon. What we do expect is increases in value to slow down to a more normal rate of 3 to 4% per year. We're also starting to see a slowdown in inflation, leading the Federal Reserve to halt its interest rate hikes. Consequently, mortgage rates are expected to have reached their peak, hopefully. This stabilization in mortgage rates is a crucial factor contributing to the positive outlook for Florida real estate in 2024. Indicators point to the possibility of lower mortgage rates toward the end of 2024, which would enhance affordability. However, the days of 3% rates are long gone, and if there is a drop, we don't expect it to be that significant. As of the date of this video, June 2024, the median home price in Jacksonville is $315,000, which is an increase of 5% from last year, even though the number of sales has decreased by almost 6%. On average, homes are selling in 52 days, which is up from 43 days on the market from last year. And homes are still selling at an average of 97% of the list price. Statistically, we're seeing 17% of homes selling above the asking price. But on the other hand, 40% of homes on the market are having to do price reductions. So what does all of this mean for you if you're thinking about making a move this year? Overall, Jacksonville and Northeast Florida in general is still experiencing a pretty strong real estate market, with some areas being more competitive than others. While there are more opportunities to negotiate on certain properties and more flexibility with the timing and being able to make decisions, it's not necessarily the market to make lowball offers or to think a home will sit on the market forever while you make a decision. And as I mentioned earlier, we are still seeing multiple offer situations in certain price points, especially in the more high demand areas such as St. Johns County. Pool homes also tend to sell very quickly, or in general, homes that are in great condition and have been nicely upgraded, and they're priced competitively. The bottom line is, it's crucial to work with a local expert who knows all of these nuances of the current market and the differences in each individual neighborhood, so they can share those insights to help you make the best decisions when it comes to your home search and the offer process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please take a second to like and subscribe to stay up to date on what's happening in the Northeast Florida area. And as always, if I can help you with your move, reach out to me anytime. My contact information is always in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.